Increased charges and a plea for mercy as two alleged carjackers faced a judge. They're accused of a wild car chase that nearly killed a police officer. CBS 2's Lou Young reports from the courthouse in Central Islip.
Two Long Island men now face charges that could get them 25 years in prison for allegedly running down a police officer during a stolen car getaway attempt. Officer Nicholas Guerrero remains hospitalized from the late September crime spree through several Long Island towns that included a violent carjacking of an 86-year-old woman. Officers attending the arraignment in Central Islip on behalf of the injured officer called the accused men parasites.
It's a disgusting act to leave an individual, no less a police officer, laying in the middle of the street fighting for his life.
A relative of the two, though, insists they are not equally guilty. Sean McAllister is the person who turned them into police. He blames everything on his brother, Chad Morrison, the presumed driver, who he says led their 22-year-old nephew, Nicholas Franzone, into a life of drugs and criminal activity.
He was captive by my brother, and my brother was threatening his life not to leave him or he's going to hurt him, so he had some kind of control over him. He really deserves a break.
The district attorney is in no such mood.
We will be seeking the maximum sentence and indeed even consecutive sentencing in this case. They deserve no less than that.
And even that depends on Officer Guerrero recovering from his injuries. If he doesn't, the criminal charges could be upgraded yet again. We're at the criminal courthouse in Central Islip, Long Island. Lou Young, CBS 2 News.
Officer Guerrero remains hospitalized at Stony Brook University Medical Center.